Hello everyone, welcome to Sharmilan Chess YouTube channel. Today I am going to give you 5 best tips and tricks for chess. I am going to give you 5 best tips and tricks for chess. This is very good chess tips and tricks for intermediate, beginner level player and advanced chess players. Okay, let's go to the first chapter for tips and tricks for chess. Okay, hello everyone. We can go now chapter 1. Rapidly develop all pieces. This meaning is very quickly develop all pieces. First tips for chess, tips and tricks for chess. Okay. First main idea is the main goal at opening is to develop pieces and reach castling as quick as possible. Okay, you can understand right now. So the white and black already castling and they safe right now. You can see. I am going to show you this particular king and rook castling. There is a king side castling. Both players develop their pieces and they castles. Okay, we can go now. Another point. Opening is complete when one or both players have their rooks connected. In this particular game have rook connected. White rooks are so connected right now. You can see. Here is a this rook and this rook. Now here connected. Okay, this is very good. Develop pieces. Okay, we can go now. Third point. The player who finishes the development first gains the initiative, gain victory first. Who finishes the development first. This is very important. Okay, this is rapidly develop all pieces. That's it. We can go now. Chapter 2, tips and tricks. Okay. Hello everyone. This is chapter 2, second tips and tricks for chess. Okay. The best points. Develop knights before bishops. Understand? Develop knights before bishop. Here is a white knight are already moved first time. Okay. I am going to tell you how to possibilities moves. Okay. The point is, while bishops can control several squares from their original position, if there are no pawns obstructing their way, knights dominate only their neighbor squares and take longer to reach the opponent's field because they are less mobile pieces. Understand? I am telling again. I am going to tell again. Why? Bishops can control several squares. Okay, from their original position. If there are no pawns obstructing their way, knights dominate only their neighbor squares and take longer to reach the opponent field because they are less mobile pieces. That's it. This is second tips and tricks for chess. We can go now. Third tips and tricks for chess. Okay. Hello everyone. This is third tips and tricks for chess. Okay. This heading is don't move the same piece twice during opening. Understand? Don't move the same piece twice during opening. Okay. Here is a knight example. You can see right now this knight is so wrong because this knight moving twice time, 2 times. This knight come, we will see, knight come here and here. Okay. The main idea is this point, right to place your pieces at the best possible position at the first move. Right to place your pieces at the best possible position at the first move. Okay. Another point. It is waste of time to move the same piece more than once during opening and it may cost you the initiative in the game. Okay. I am going to tell you again. It is a waste of time to move the same piece more than once during opening and it may cost you the initiative in the game. This is third tips and tricks for chess. We can go now. Number 4. Okay. Hello everyone. This is tips and tricks 4. Okay. The fourth heading is don't make unnecessary pawn moves during opening. I am going to tell again, don't make unnecessary pawn moves during opening. You can see now, this pawn is don't make unnecessary pawn moves during opening example. That's why easily won black. Okay, we can call now the point. Pawn moves should be restricted during opening because the time involved in these moves could be applied to develop another piece. Okay, I am going to tell again, pawn moves should be restricted during opening because the time involved in these moves could be applied to develop another piece. Okay, the second point is, generally moving pawn is suitable when the player aims to open diagonals for the queen or bishop or occupy the center. Okay, that's it. We can go now chapter 5, tips and tricks. Okay, hello everyone, this is chapter 5, chess tips and tricks for chess. Okay, the heading is, don't check if not necessary. Don't check if not necessary. Okay, the first point is, a check that can easily be defended while the opponent is unnecessary. A check that can easily be defended while the opponent is unnecessary. Second point is, most of the checks during opening can easily be defended by moves that favor development. Most of the checks during opening can easily be defended by moves that favor development. Okay, you can see here, queen check right now, e2 queen check. This is example for this. Don't check if not necessary. This check is not necessary. That's it. If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe and press the bell icon. Okay, thank you. Bye bye.